Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. I am super excited. It is February, it's the beginning of the year, and I usually treat myself to the new bag in the beginning of the year. So this year is no different. 2025. We're gonna start with the Fendi, and you guys, I am super excited about this purchase, so let me show you guys. This is the new-ish bag from Fendi, which was presented at the fashion show fall winter 2024-25. so this is like a newest, I assume newest release, I don't know. Let me just show you first because I'm super excited. So you guys, what I've got. Ta-da! So this is my new Fendi handbag called Simply Fendi. So like I said, this bag was originally presented 24-25, so it is fairly new to the collection, and you guys, I fell in love with this bag immediately. Originally, I really wanted to buy this kind of a monogram jacquard baguette, but when I went to the store, the baguette, I just did not like it in person. I thought it was very flimsy. I couldn't wear it crossbody because the strap was like way too short, the longer strap that comes with the baguette, and I thought this one was way more versatile and, like, I don't know, like a little bit more like kind of easy version. It's a very simple bag, so it's called a Simply Fendi, but I was only interested in the jacquard FF kind of you know, a logo handbag, and this particular bag does come with the leathers and also comes with the mini version. This is just a regular version, which is not even that big in my opinion. This is like just normal size handbag. It is very narrow though, so but oh my god, you guys, it is so cute, and it's quite versatile. So let me start with this. The strap that you see right now, I have it set up. Yeah, there's still a little bit plastic. I just took the most of the plastic off. So this is kind of like the highest, you know, strap that you can set it up, and it will just go very easily, you know, like under your arm, and you can just carry like this, which is really cute, which I love. But what really sold me on this handbag is the fact that this strap, and you can probably see it, is all kind of goes around in here, and there's like a bunch of loops that you can, you know, pretty much attach, you know, put the strap through, and then it travels through that little hole in here. And then you guys, this has quite a few, let me see, 7 adjustable holes. So this bag, at the end of the day, I can wear it as a crossbody. So I, you know, like I can hold it like this, obviously, and then I can just go all the way down to the last hole, which is like really at the very end of that strap. Let me show you this, and I can just put it in here so I can hide it, and this just becomes my, like, a nice, very easy crossbody bag. So I'm absolutely in love, you guys. This bag also features a very substantial zipper pull, which has a lot of leather on it, so this might kind of get in the way. We will see. There is a little bit of the, this is, I think this is leather. Yeah, this is also that little logo is made of the leather. Obviously the strap is all leather. The entire handbag, this is jacquard, but it's a very thick fabric. Like I said earlier, this bag comes with the leather version, but I just did not want a leather version. I wanted this one. And if you look at the website, the way they kind of present this is like to kind of wear it like this, so you can squish it down a little bit, if that makes sense, and you can just kind of, you know, just kind of wear it like that, which is completely changes the shape of the bag. So they have like styled in like so many different ways, but like I wouldn't necessarily squish this like this, but you know, that just an idea. But obviously if you put more stuff in it, you won't be able to, you know, to achieve this particular look, which I don't think it would be any comfortable to carry. But that's just, you know, how they kind of do with this bag. But the fabric itself, in my opinion, this fabric is way more thicker, substantial than the one that comes on the monogram baguette. Okay, the monogram baguette, I thought it was just like, I don't know, it was just so thin. It just didn't feel right. Don't get me wrong, both of the bags were pretty expensive. Baguette was just a little bit more expensive than this, but still, I don't know. I just couldn't. I just couldn't justify. But I really was looking for like this typical monogram bag because I think it just goes with everything year round. So anyway, let me show you guys inside. So you obviously have this long zipper and the entire bag. I think this is like, I'm sure it's a man-made material, but it feels like suede. It's very soft. Very soft material inside, and it does have like you can probably tell there's like a zipper, which I do have some tags in here because I wore this bag on Sunday. So there's a tag and there is some like a Fendi little, yeah, there's some more information in case you guys want to see exactly. So it is a medium jacquard. I don't know. As far as I know, there's just two sizes. So this size and the mini size. So mini is really small. So I would not want to the tiny little bag. So the packet itself here is pretty substantial. It's pretty big. And then obviously the inside, there's some nice, you can see there's some nice like stitching here. It's very well made handbag, which I absolutely love. And like I said, that the jacquard fabric is pretty thick. It's pretty substantial, and I guess just the lining also gives this extra support, so it's not as flimsy as the baguette. So yeah, I really love this bag, and I feel like it just gives like a little modern twist, you know, to your typical Fendi bag. So yeah, I really love. I think the Fendi is just so hot, you guys. I don't know, there's just something they are coming up with so many nice bags recently. So yeah, I'm kind of loving it. So yeah, so this is my new bag. I was thinking let's put some things in it and see how it works. I'm gonna put it quickly things in my mini pochette. My favorite lipstick, which is what I have here, YSL. I'll link it down below, as well as this Fenty lipstick. You have to have it. So I have some cosmetics here. Oh my god, I have to show you guys this. This is another favorite. This is Clarice. This is like a lip oil, which I've got in the advent calendar. I think it was from Bloomingdale's. Beautiful. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. I'm gonna try to link this one below, the exact one. I mean, any color that you get from the, this is the most luxurious and feels so good on your lips. Unbelievable. So yeah, so this little mini pochette will definitely, you know, fit into this bag with all the stuff. I have been using my Louis Vuitton. This is the compact wallet, which is discontinued, but I don't know, sometimes I feel like it's still too big. My iPhone, which I never know what it is, 15? I don't know, but iPhone fits in here. My work key, which comes in this Louis Vuitton clay. What else do I have here? My car key, which is in that tiny little clay. It just fits so perfectly. I have some Kleenex, and the junk that I have in here I'm not gonna move. So look at this, I packed everything in here, and I have still plenty of room. I could put you know, sunglasses with the case easily. I could put, I don't know, bottle of water. I can definitely fit here on the side if I want to, which I don't because I never drink water. So yeah, I'm probably the only person who doesn't own any water bottle. Anyway, let me show you guys. I'm gonna move this up because I really like kind of carry this up high. So this is how it looks. Let me see if I can zip it up. So I have lots of things right down in here. So this is how it looks all full. I didn't attach the strap properly, but yeah, this is how it looks with all the stuff in. So that's kind of, you know, just gonna, I can probably do that if that's what they suggest. Yeah, I guess. Yeah, if that's how you want to carry, you can definitely carry it this way. It does look fine. So yeah, it's very kind of, you know, you can squish it, you can keep it more, you know, simple, just a straight. So yeah, it is a very narrow handbag, but as you can tell, it just fits a ton. So everything what I need and even more is in here. And yeah, and the back itself, it's super light, so you're only gonna carry really the stuff that you put in here, you know, the weight of the stuff that you put in here. So yeah, you guys, I am so excited about this bag. I think it just looks beautiful. I am super happy that I've got this, and I'm gonna be using it right away. Yeah, I am super excited about this. I'm gonna attach the strap, so you know, it's a little process here, but I just like the versatility of this bag. There's a lot of loops that you're supposed to slide the strap. I think there was one more loop, which I missed one loop in here. So anyway, yeah. So what do you guys think? Is it nice? I love it. I just think this bag will be so easy to travel with, and like I said, I can just throw it crossbody. I can wear it, you know, on my shoulder as a little, you know, kind of like a baguette kind of situation. I just love it. I just think it's so good, and it's just so chic, so modern, so easygoing. And yes, it does have a logo all over, but who cares? I love it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Definitely let me know what do you think about this handbag. I'll link everything down below, whatever I can. Whatever I packed in my bag, including the handbag, I'm gonna leave the links in the description box, so check it out. So yeah, let me know what you think about this first purchase of the 2025. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel, and there's gonna be hopefully more fun videos to come. So stay tuned, and yeah, I hope you're all doing well, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye guys.